Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk.
Hey now, this is Darlene. I'm sitting here working on bracelets, and what I'm working on, this is a really red uh, coral bead, and I did wrap it with some of them aluminum wire, and then the wire on the end is the 18 gauge copper wire. The wire in the middle, that gold tone, is that aluminum wire. And then what I did is I painted some beads, a real pretty ruby red color. You probably can't see the beauty of these beads really good in the camera, but these are really pretty, and I did put some gold paint on them. So I am just making a bracelet. My goal is to make to really tap into my creative side as it relates to bracelets, and I do find that bracelets sell really well. There's a couple of events that I am planning to do, and that's pretty already. I'm planning to do, and I want to have some really unique, very different pieces when I go sell. So I was told by the event planner that there is only one other person that will be there that sells jewelry, and she was telling me that that person's jewelry is nothing like mine. It's more on a simpler scale, where mine is more elegant. Very high statement type jewelry. And I was saying, oh, well, that's cool. And I think people should put limits on how many people, and then maybe not, I guess, because everybody's pieces are different. And then I guess it just depends on, the competence that you have and what it is that you do. Um, there's nothing different about it if, your jewelry looks like everybody else's. I mean, where is the, right? That's pretty already. Look at that. Just the beads and that focal piece right there. And I generally put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I usually put 11 beads. And bracelets are really quick to make. So the event is in December. It's the first. That's really pretty. The first part of December. And that took all of 2 minutes to make this bracelet, right? 2 minutes, basically. Well, it only took 2 minutes because I already had the focal piece made. So what I did is just I did do a video showing how I wrap the bead. So I did the same thing with this coral bead. So I'm gonna just go ahead and tie this. Wrap it once, pull it real good. 1, 2, pull it really good. Sometimes you can pull it, too much, and it'll actually break that cord. So you want to be careful with that. One time, and then we'll wrap it 1, 2. But anyway, she was telling me that it'll only be two of us there selling. The other ladies, her jewelry is more on a when she said lower scale, she don't mean lower in the sense of quality. She means like on a simpler scale, where her jewelry might be like really simple pieces, where mine are more elegant, more statement type pieces. And I said, "Oh, okay. Well, that makes good sense. And even if it was a bunch of people selling a bunch of jewelry, I would still go because my pieces are very different, and I have confidence in my in my collection. So, and then in addition to that, I generally would take journals with me too. But the jewelry always sells really well, especially the sets. Okay, and I think I've got enough of that tied. I'll go ahead and clip that right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. And then we're going to go ahead and pull all that. You probably can't see it, but I generally pull all that in that bead. Just like that. And it hides it. Wait. And it hides it. Just like that. That was all of like, let me see what that is. That's 4 minutes. That was all of 4 minutes. And I don't even think it took 4 minutes to make this, right? This is really pretty. I just need to stop. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And again, I didn't bring these bracelets over here. Let me see if I can mix it with something. Um, Ruby red and brown go really nice together. Let me see. Try the wire with it. You know, I'm trying to give it the look. So what it'll look like, you know, gathered and married to other beads. Not beads, but other bracelets. That's really pretty. Just the color alone. You can't really see the prettiness of the red. This is gorgeous. So if you can see the prettiness of it. Just the beads by themselves. But this is the newest piece. So I am going to be making a lot of bracelets. One of my goals is to make a lot of bracelets and a lot of statement bracelets for these upcoming things that I have going on. And then I have some plans for the new year, some different things I'm going to be trying. And I am, in order to do these different things that I'm thinking about doing, I'm going to have a lot of product made. And the idea is to have as much product in the sense of statement pieces as I possibly can. This is really pretty. Y'all let me know what you think about this. This is gorgeous. The redness of it all. But anyway, this is a really short video. I'm not doing a whole lot of talking tonight. I know I'm kind of burnt out, right? I am going to sit here and do a little bit more work for like another hour or two. And then probably read a little bit and then go ahead and rest up for the night. And if God says the same, start it all again tomorrow. Y'all know how we do. But anyway, we'll talk.